We're doing stand-up wheelies now? Okay, Dylan. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rafa, S1K Rafa here again, and we are in beautiful, well, not so beautiful, but we're in Houston, Texas today. We're gonna do a little quick loop this morning. Actually, I'm not even supposed to be riding today, but we're gonna do a quick one with Domino. We're gonna meet up with Dylan Reckless. I believe Rando HP4 is gonna come out too. So it's just gonna be a quick loop. So there's gonna be a quick little short vlog. Hopefully we get some good stuff out there with the guys. The actual big ride will be tomorrow. Tomorrow's when we're meeting up with all the other guys. Should be a good amount of people. See what we get into today. This is the parking lot where we're staying at, a little hotel. I kind of like it, it's a little private. The bikes stay safe overnight, so that's good. Later that afternoon is when we're going to drop an address and we're going to meet up with, hopefully a few of you guys pull up. Trying to meet a few people and just have a good time. So far, Mess is not here yet, as you can see. He might not sure. I guess we'll see on you'll be able to tell in the next video if Papa pulls up. Crossing my fingers he does, but if he doesn't, it's for a good cause. Look at Domino, man. Yeah, good to see you, man. Last time I saw Domino was in Miami, so it's good to see him again. Oh shit, I didn't put my lever guards. What a dumbass. I got my lever guards, bro. Oh my god, man. It is an insane amount of vibration on the bike without the weight. Bro, none of these pumps work. Fucking, this is some shady ass gas, I'll tell you that. Man, that's what you get. Like, I wasn't supposed to ride today. Forgot my lever guards. I'm out of gas. It's always something. God damn. Come on, Rafa, lock it in. Mess was here, he'll be on my ass right now. Let's go. Fuck is this? Fucking. Look at Domino making friends.
What's this?
It's a camera. Ready? Let's go. Appreciate it, boss. Okay, so I think we're pulling up to Randall's crib or apartments. Dylan, which is Reckless, should be there, so my bike don't feel too good without the lever guards, but we're gonna work with it. I mean, I'm not gonna be riding for long. We're supposed to be riding since 9. 2 hours later. The fuck? I blame it on Reckless. I'm late, but you're later. You beat me, bro. He's gonna blame it on Domino. Watch. Just the audacity of blaming somebody else for your own mistakes. Dylan, if you're watching this, bro, just tell the people why we're late. It was all you. Alright, so we pull up to I believe this is Randall's spot, and Dylan's not even dressed yet.
Working on fucking Angie.
Working on whose bike is this? Angie's bike. Bro, look at him wearing shorts. Oh my god, bro, ridiculous. The bike's still on the truck. Unbelievable, man. Calling us at 8 a.m. for nothing.
What are you talking
For
about?
nothing.
It's him.
Bro. Jesus, man. This is the infamous Reckless right here. This who you so follow on IG. Look at this, bro. Do you really want to follow this guy?
You recognize that?
Yeah.
Why is mine so much better than yours? It's crazy, right? Yeah.
So where the fuck are they at?
They're in the fucking apartment.
Where'd you get this eBay chain from, bro?
This is an M chain.
Bro, that's an eBay chain, bro. What the hell? Look at that. That's a wannabe gold, bro. What is that?
Hey, guess how many times it snapped on me?
You probably just put it on. How much was it? 20 bucks?
It came with the price.
Oh, man. That is not no M chain, bro.
Yeah, it is.
I know what an M chain looks like.
That's exactly what
That's an eBay M chain. Come on, bro. Don't load the bike. Come on, stop bullshitting. Easy. Easy. To be honest with you, bro, the only thing I like about this bike is this nut. That's it. That's the fucking nut on the triple tree. That's it.
Do you got one?
No. That's why I like it. We got Reckless.
That's really how the view goes.
What's your IG? Reckless? This 1K? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I barely follow you, so
I mean, you're always sharing my shit.
yeah. I never share his stuff because his stuff sucks. Yeah. We got Reckless, Domino, Angie, Rando. I don't know where they're at, but I guess this guy has access to the garage. Finally, after I don't know how many hours that we wasted because of Dylan, so we got Rando on his beautiful S1000RR with that. I've always wondered if that's a gray or a silver, well, not silver, but like a white color. I can't remember her name, Angie Pickles or something like that. I try to keep up because I don't know where I'm at. I don't know where I'm turning, but I'll try my best and just make it fun. Be safe. Make good decisions. Let's get it. So this is my first time meeting Rando. We've had a couple messages on IG here and there. If he rocks that beat up ass shirt, I'm sure he'll rock a brand new S1K Rafa t-shirt if I give it to him. Comment down below if I should give him one or not. I got an R1 for Angie with the, it's got a purple front wheel. I just realized that. With the pink custom paint job on it. Nice. Real nice. Last night we went out to eat some wings and I met Knuckles _triple R, and bruh, his name I could not pronounce it. I don't know why.
Beltway north, and we'll just take Beltway around. Okay. And we can go 59 south to do Dawson.
Come on, Dylan. Fuckface. I'm right here. Yeah. Oh man. Come on, let's see what you got. In the back a little bit. See what I can get. Man, Rondo's just chilling in the back. Holy shit. Oh, he had a blowout. Damn. Wow, that little car had a blowout. Oh, who's this homie? It's a big guy. What's up, bro? Shout out to the homie if he follows me. Look at him. Man, he looked like a parachute with that jacket. Gotta get you on the right gear, homie. They're about to do him. There you go. Rando right there. Keeping it up. Yes, sir. Dylan trying to show off. thumbnail right there. Oh, we're doing stand-up wheelies now? Okay, Dylan. Damn. All right, fellas, I got it. Like I told you earlier on the video, today I wasn't supposed to be riding at all, like whatsoever. No time riding today, but you know these guys were down on ride for a little bit. Unfortunately, we met up kind of late, which took some riding time away from us. But at least we got a little. I got to meet Randall real quick. That's the first time I see him in person. Tomorrow, like I said, we'll be meeting up again, riding some more. Tomorrow's gonna be a long day. We're meeting up early in the morning. I'm thinking about 8 a.m. From there, we're gonna ride with the boys that I've been knowing for quite some time, just to avoid accidents. And then I'll be posting an address for some people to pull up, hang out, say what's up, you know, get to know some of y'all. Guys, that's gonna be the end of the video here. Either way, I try to put some content out for y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for supporting me. We're growing slowly but surely. Can't wait for the day that I look back at these videos and I can just be like, man, we made it. Mama, we made it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. With lots of love from your boy, Rafa. S1 Rafa signing out. Till the next one. Peace, guys.